Good evening, good evening, good evening, Negi soldiers. Good evening. How are you? I hope you people are doing well. I welcome each and every one to your own YouTube channel, Unacademy Gate MEPIXE YouTube channel. आशा करता हूं, उम्मीद करता हूं आप लोग बहुत अच्छी हेल्थ में हैं, माय फ्रेंड्स. एंड वी वर डिस्कसिंग द फुल कोर्स ऑन बेसिक थर्मोडायनामिक्स. बेटा फुल कोर्स चल रहा है बेसिक थर्मोडायनामिक्स में. Monday to Friday I'm coming live 6 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. I'm taking the class for you people, and today we are going to discuss cyclic process and characteristics of properties. So are you ready? Type in chat box, type in chat box. If you people are ready, type in chat box. Sir, we are ready, we are ready, we are ready. तब तक मैं जो लोग first time, those who are coming first time to our YouTube channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Devendra Singh Negi. I'm Mechanical Head Unacademy Brands, GATE All India Rank 1 2019-20 Engineering Sciences paper, All India Rank 1 Banknote Paper Mill. I completed my master from IIT Bombay. I was the topper of my batch, and I'm teaching for GATE and ESE since 8+ years. Till now I have mentored more than 50,000 students in online, offline and seminar mode. And the most important thing why I'm standing in front of you, because I enjoy teaching. I enjoy jhamajham teaching re baba. This is my profile on Unacademy platform. I'm Unacademy verified rank 8th educator in GATE and ESE category, having more than 1 CR watch minutes, 1 crore watch minutes, having more than 3,000 dedications in GATE and ESE category. In fact, I am the only educator, only technical educator to have more than 3,000 dedications in GATE and ESE category. तो ये इस चीज को दर्शाता है कि कितना प्यार, कितना अफेक्शन, कितना लव मिल रहा है स्टूडेंट्स कम्युनिटी से. थैंक यू सो मच बेटा. Now, if you haven't followed me till now, kindly follow me, because I am bringing number of free initiatives on Unacademy platform. Yes beta, I have taken 3 free initiatives in the month of December. I am discussing the most expected questions of fluid mechanics. I am discussing the PYQs of XCB fluid mechanics. I am discussing the PYQs of XCE thermodynamics. Now my friends, as I told you, I have taken number of free initiatives. उसमें से आज आपकी एक क्लास है 10:15 PM पर. We are going to meet at 10:15 PM. We will be meeting on Unacademy Learning app, and today we are going to discuss मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस ऑफ फ्लूइड डायनामिक्स. बेटा एमएसक्यूज चल रहे हैं, झमाझम एमएसक्यू चल रहे हैं. सो इफ यू वांट टू अटेंड द एमएसक्यूज, प्लीज कम. आ जाओ रे बाबा, आ जाओ रे बाबा. नाउ टुमारो यू विल बी हैविंग द क्लास ऑन PYQs of XCE thermodynamics entropy. टाइमिंग सेम है 10:15 PM बेटा. 8 to 10 आई एम हैविंग द झमाझम प्लस क्लास, एंड देन इमीडिएटली आई विल बी कमिंग फॉर द Unacademy फ्री स्पेशल क्लास इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. तो बेटा आज 10:15 PM पर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस फ्लूइड डायनामिक्स MSQs, एंड टुमारो विल बी डिस्कसिंग द PYQs ऑफ XCE एंट्रोपी. नाउ अगर आपने अभी तक Unacademy लर्निंग ऐप इंस्टॉल नहीं किया है, इफ यू हैवंट इंस्टॉल्ड Unacademy लर्निंग ऐप till now, install Unacademy Learning app, because if you are installing the Unacademy Learning app, you will be getting 2 benefits. The first benefit is you will be unlocking the free plans of Unacademy. Yes, free plans मतलब क्या? You will be able to watch free special classes. You will be able to fight in Unacademy combat. You will be able to attend free quizzes. You will be able to attend free test series. Yes, and the second most important thing, ये तो एक चीज हो गई बेटा. सेकेंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, यू विल बी एबल टू मैसेज मी डायरेक्टली. यू विल बी एबल टू कॉन्टेक्ट मी डायरेक्टली. आप डायरेक्टली मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं, आप डायरेक्टली मुझे कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आई विल बी शेयरिंग माई एक्सपीरियंस विद यू पीपल. जितना भी आपकी क्वेरीज हैं, आई विल बी रिजॉल्विंग. नाउ देयर आर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु आर आस्किंग सर हाउ टू डाउनलोड द नोट्स एंड ऑल. सो बेटा यू नीड नॉट टू वरी. दिस इज माई Unacademy वेरीफाइड टेलीग्राम चैनल नेगी10. आप इस नेगी10 टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. Whatever the class I'm taking, whatever the notes I'm supposed to give, I'm giving here. सारे लिंक, सारे रेफरेंस बुक, सारे नोट्स, हर चीज यहां पर आपको मिलने वाला. You need not to worry बेटा. If you are not able to search my telegram channel, then type this link in your address bar. You will be able to connect me. Okay? Oh my God! Oh my God! Now my friends, one beautiful information for you people. One beautiful information for you people. Beta, from 28th of December, we are starting 2 new batches One is Evolve batch for GATE 2022. The second is Ascent batch for GATE 2023. And your Negi sir is going to take the classes in this batch. Yes, your Negi sir will be taking the classes in this particular batch, right? तो जिनको ज्वाइन करना है अनअकैडमी प्लस, फटाफट से ज्वाइन करेंगे बेटा, यूजिंग द रेफरल कोड नेगी10. use the referral code Negi10 and come on Unacademy Plus. You will be able to attend all my classes over here. I am the ranked 3rd educator in mechanical branch. तो आप बिल्कुल इस चेहरे पे भरोसा करके Unacademy Plus पर आ सकते हैं. I will be mentoring you personally. I will be guiding you personally. If you are having the big dreams, then come on Unacademy Plus. I will be nurturing your dreams. चलिए. Now listen carefully रे बाबा. Enter the invite code to unlock. What is the invite code रे बाबा? What is the invite code? Invite code मांग रहा है रे बाबा. What is the invite code? What is the invite code? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. What is the invite code? Oh ho. Come on. Each and every one, please tell me what is the invite code so that we can unlock the PPT and we can move forward. Negi10. Yes. Invite code is Negi10. Arey, whether it is Negi sir or Negi soldiers, there is only one code. There is only one code for Negi sir and Negi soldiers. Negi10. Khulja Sim. Yes. Oh my God. Yes, we are able to unlock the PPT. Yes. Very good. Now, my friends, let us move forward. Let us start today's class. What we discussed in last class में क्या डिस्कस किया था? In the last class we discussed the concept of internally reversible process and externally reversible process. What is the meaning of internally reversible process? The meaning of internally reversible process, if there is no irreversibility. If there is no irreversibility within the boundary of the system, that means within the system, I will be calling the processes internally reversible process. What is the meaning of externally reversible process, beta? If there is no irreversibility outside of the boundary of the system, that means in surrounding, then I will be calling the process is externally reversible process. Are you able to recollect? Yes. Excellent. ये हुई ना बात. आज जाओ रे बाबा. Come on. Share the link with your friends. अपने दोस्तों के साथ लिंक शेयर कर दीजिए बेटा. आ जाओ फटाफट से. देखो बेटा, what is the meaning of totally reversible process? What is the meaning of totally reversible process? Please observe. Totally reversible process. A process which is internally reversible. A process which is internally reversible as well as externally reversible is known as a totally reversible process. मतलब एक ऐसा प्रोसेस जो कि इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल भी है, externally reversible भी है, is known as totally reversible process. So internally reversible plus externally reversible process is known as a totally reversible process. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. Now, what is the meaning of internally reversible? अरे सुनो रे बाबा ध्यान से. What is the meaning of internally reversible process? The meaning is we don't have any irreversibility within the boundary of the system. There is no irreversibility. There is no irreversibility within the boundary of the system. Within the system, there is no irreversibility. What is the meaning of externally reversible? There is no irreversibility in surrounding. That means if I am having a totally reversible process, there should be no irreversibility within the system. There is no irreversibility within the surrounding. That means there is no irreversibility within the universe. Arey system plus surrounding is what? Universe re baba. Are you getting what I am saying? So remember beta, for totally reversible process, एक point दे रहा हूं आपको. if I am having totally reversible process, the meaning of totally reversible process is there is no irreversibility. There is no irreversibility within the universe. Within the universe. Within the universe. यूनिवर्स के अंदर कोई भी इरिवर्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. बट नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. आई विल बी शेयरिंग वन ब्यूटिफुल थिंग विद यू पीपल. प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना. बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना. लेट अस सपोज. प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली. ध्यान से देखेंगे बेटा. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस. प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली. हा. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. लेट मी से here I am having on this axis I am having pressure. Let me say on this horizontal axis I am having volume. Now listen carefully beta. Let us suppose this is state 1. My system is undergoing a process and the state of the system is changing from state 1 to state 2. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? फटाफट से बोलिए. आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? Are you clear? Let us suppose I am having a system which is undergoing a process and the state of the system is changing from state 1 to state 2. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. If I am having internally reversible process, if I am having internally reversible process, I have told you clearly, internally reversible process is basically the quasi-static process where we are neglecting the viscous losses. We are assuming viscous losses are zero. Within the system there are no losses. So my friends, you know, if we are having the quasi-static process, infinitely slow process, 100%, this system will be passing through number of equilibrium states, series of equilibrium state which is known as path. 100%. 100% beta. System is passing through number of states, number of equilibrium states, and this is the path of the process. Now listen carefully beta. What is the meaning of internally reversible process? सुनना बेटा. जब भी internally reversible process होता है, if I want to go back from 2 to 1, अगर मैं 2 से state 2 से state 1 जाना चाहूं, if I am having internally reversible process, then I can go back via same equilibrium states. इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर मैं जाना चाहूं, ऐसा कोई कंपलसरी नहीं है, but if I want to go back from 2 to 1 and if my system has done internally reversible process 1 to 2, then 100% if I want, I can go back 2 to 1. I can go back 2 to 1 via same equilibrium state, but it is not compulsory. कोई mandatory नहीं है बेटा. It is not compulsory, but if I want, I can follow the same path. If I want, I can follow the same path. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. याद रखना, there are so many students who are having this doubt. Sir, 1 to 2 तो internally reversible process है. Sir, 1 to 2 is internally reversible process. Sir, why are you going from 2 to 1 via different path? It is internally reversible, so you should go by the same path. I am telling you beta, the meaning of internally reversible process is if you want to reverse the same path, you can reverse, but it is not compulsory that you should reverse. Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? यहां तक सब लोगों को क्लियर है? I hope each and everyone is clear till here. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? बेटा आपके डाउट्स भी लेने वाला हूं. Those who are having the doubts, wait till the end. I will be taking your doubts also. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? बोलिए बेटा, यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? No. What is the meaning of externally reversible process? The meaning of externally reversible process is, let me say if the process 1 to 2 is taking place, let me say the state of the surrounding is changing. The state of the surrounding is changing. मान लीजिए स्टेट चेंज हो गई सराउंडिंग की, मान लीजिए यहां कोई स्टेट पे था सराउंडिंग, इट केम टू दिस स्टेट. Now listen carefully. If I'm reversing the process via same path 2 to 1, then if surrounding is coming back to the initial state, I will be calling the process is externally reversible also. वो तभी होगा when there is no loss in surrounding. Now look at here beta, look at here. A process of system is a totally reversible, and remember totally reversible is also known as reversible process. A process of a system is totally reversible if the system and all part of its surroundings can be exactly restored. Look at here, can be exactly restored to their respective initial states after the process has been taken place. एक बार process हो गया, 1 to 2 process हो गया, अगर आप system and its parts of surrounding, मान लीजिए surrounding में बहुत सारे parts हैं, and all parts of its surrounding can be exactly restored to their respective initial states after the process has been taken place, is known as what? Totally reversible process. And remember, totally reversible process is nothing, it is basically reversible process only. उसी को आप reversible process भी बोलते हैं. Are you clear till here? Type in chat box. Type in chat box रे बाबा. Type in chat box. I want everyone to type in chat box. Are you clear till here? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. यहां तक आपको क्लियर हो गया? What is the meaning of totally reversible process? The meaning of totally reversible process is internally reversible process plus externally reversible process. What is the meaning of internally reversible process? There is no loss within the system, and if I am having some process of the system, if the system can be reversed back to the initial state by the same path, I will be calling the process as internally reversible process. What is the meaning of externally reversible process? The meaning of externally reversible process, there is no loss in the surrounding. There is no loss in the surrounding. So if I am reversing the path, if I am reversing the process, if surrounding is coming back to initial position, I will be calling the process is externally reversible process also. Okay. Now, totally reversible process is internally reversible process plus externally reversible process. Now, listen carefully beta. What is the meaning of irreversible process? अरे ये तो बहुत ही simple है, बहुत ही simple है. अरे the process which is not totally reversible is irreversible process. अरे जो प्रोसेस रिवर्सिबल नहीं है वो क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. लुक एट हियर, वेरी इजी डेफिनेशन. द प्रोसेस विच इज नॉट टोटली रिवर्सिबल, द प्रोसेस विच इज नॉट टोटली रिवर्सिबल is known as irreversible process. The process which is not totally reversible is known as irreversible process. For example, कब हो सकता है बेटा? When the process will be irreversible process. Now listen carefully. There can be three things. There can be three things. Look at here. Let me say I am having internally irreversible process and externally reversible process. If I am having internally irreversible process, externally reversible process, this is an example of irreversible process, because the meaning of internally irreversible process is there is some irreversibility. There is some irreversibility within the boundary of the system. There is some irreversibility within the system. यूनिवर्स में अगर सिस्टम में irreversibility है, मतलब यूनिवर्स में irreversibility है 100%, my process will be irreversible process because it is not totally reversible process. The meaning of totally reversible process is there should be no irreversibility within the universe. एक केस तो ये हो सकता है बेटा. The first case when I can have irreversible process is I am having internally irreversible process but externally reversible process. Second case, सुनना बेटा ध्यान से, लेट अस सपोज माय सिस्टम इज अंडरगोइंग इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस बट एक्सटर्नली इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस। सिस्टम ने एक प्रोसेस किया, द प्रोसेस इज इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल but externally irreversible. What is the meaning of this 100%? There is some irreversibility in the surrounding. There is no, देखो ध्यान से सुनो, there is no irreversibility within the system, but there is some irreversibility in surrounding. Overall, if I see, there is some irreversibility in universe, and if there is some irreversibility in universe, my process is irreversible process. So second example, system can undergo internally reversible process but externally irreversible process. Third example, let us suppose system is undergoing a process in such a way that I am having some internally irreversible process and externally irreversible process. That means there is some irreversibility within the system, there is some irreversibility within the surrounding. That means there is some irreversibility within the universe. This is also an example of irreversible process. Internally irreversible, externally irreversible. अरे यही तो 4 कॉम्बिनेशन बन सकते हैं बेटा। अरे अगर आप देखोगे इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल, एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल, इंटरनली इरिवर्सिबल, एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल, ये 4 ही तो कॉम्बिनेशन बन सकते हैं जहां पर इरिवर्सिबिलिटी की अगर हम देखेंगे तो बेटा। तो देखो ये वाले कॉम्बिनेशन से हमको क्या मिलता है, फ्रॉम दीज 3 कॉम्बिनेशंस वी विल बी गेटिंग द इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस। एंड only one combination will be giving me the totally reversible process. वो मैं आपके लिए लिख रहा हूं। totally reversible कब मिलेगा बेटा, when I am having internally reversible process as well as externally reversible process. बेटा this will be giving me totally reversible process. This is going to give me totally reversible process or only reversible process also you can say. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है बेटा? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर? बेटा सब एग्जांपल दूंगा, पहले ये बताओ यहां तक क्लियर है? यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑल द एग्जांपल्स. व्हाई आर यू इन हरी वरी? आई विल बी गिविंग यू ऑल द एग्जांपल्स. यहां तक क्लियर है? जितना पूछ रहा हूं आप लोगों को उतना बताइए बेटा. आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? बेटा you people are not sharing the session. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Very less strength we are having. You are not sharing the session. ऐसा नहीं चलने वाला है. If you are doing like that, समझ लो. You have to share. You have to share. Okay? Yes, yes, yes. हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे रे बाबा. Yes sir, yes sir. क्या होता है? हार्ट का सिंबल बनाते जाएंगे रे बाबा. नेगी सोल्जर्स. Come on, come on, come on. I want each and every नेगी सोल्जर to make the heart symbol. हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे रे बाबा. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good, very good. एक्सेलेंट एक्सेलेंट एक्सेलेंट. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. चलो बेटा सुनना ध्यान से, सब एग्जाम्पल मिलेंगे, डोंट वरी. इन एन इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, irreversibilities are either present within the system or in its surrounding or both. ध्यान से देखो, in an irreversible process, irreversibilities are either present within the system, सिस्टम के अंदर प्रेजेंट होती हैं, और इन इट्स सराउंडिंग और बोथ. इन एन इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस सिस्टम अंडरगोज आइदर इंटरनली इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, या तो सिस्टम इंटरनली इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस में जाता है, और एक्सटर्नली इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, और बोथ. ऑफ कोर्स if the system is undergoing internally irreversible process, there will be some irreversibility within the system. If the system is undergoing externally irreversible process, that means there will be some irreversibility in the surrounding. And if both are happening, that means there is some irreversibility in the system as well as surrounding. Now, but these are the common examples. These are the common examples, common cause which will be causing the common examples which will be causing the irreversibility. For example, ये मैंने डिस्कस किया था बेटा, heat transfer through finite temperature difference. I have discussed earlier. I have given you the example also. If we are having the heat transfer through finite temperature difference, 100% the process will be externally irreversible. There will be some loss in surrounding. I have discussed in the last class. I have given you the beautiful examples where the process was externally irreversible process and externally reversible process. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. This is the first example where we will be seeing the irreversibility. Now I am talking about the total irreversibility, beta. Irreversibility in universe. Okay. Friction. Everyone knows because of friction we will be having the losses, and 100% the process will become irreversible process. Free expansion. Free expansion is also known as unconstrained expansion. Free expansion को क्या बोला जाता है बेटा? Unconstrained expansion. What is the meaning of unconstrained expansion? I will be telling you. Let us suppose I am having a chamber. Let us suppose I am having a chamber. This chamber is divided into two parts with the help of membrane. This is the membrane, beta. This is the membrane. Let us suppose I am having a chamber. This chamber is divided into two parts with the help of membrane. Let me say in the left part we are having some gas. In the left part of the chamber we are having some gas, and let me say on the right part of the chamber we are having absolute vacuum. Nothing is there beta. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. Absolute vacuum. Now let us suppose यहाँ पर गैस है बेटा. Here you are having the gas. These are the gas molecules. 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 These are the. What a beautiful gas molecules for my Negi soldiers. क्या बात है. Oh ho. क्या राउंड राउंड मॉलिक्यूल्स है रे बाबा. यहाँ पे भी देखो बेटा नेगी सोल्जर क्या बेहतरीन मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं. These are the gas molecules. Now let us suppose I rupture the membrane. I rupture the membrane. What will happen beta? The moment I will rupture the membrane, the gas will immediately fill the right part of the chamber also. बात समझ में आ रही है? Gas will immediately fill the right part of the chamber also. 100%. Now the gas molecules will be in both part. आपको गैस मॉलिक्यूल यहां पर भी मिल जाएंगे. You will be having the gas molecule here also, and you will be having the gas molecule here also. Now listen carefully beta. When the gas is expanding from the left chamber to the left part of the chamber to the complete chamber, left and right both, there is no resistance offered to the expansion of gas. कोई resistance था ही नहीं ना. अरे here you are having the absolute vacuum ना बेटा. Here you are having the absolute vacuum ना. So there is no resistance. There is no resistance to the expansion of the gas from left part of the chamber to the total chamber. So 100% this is an example of free expansion. Analysis of free expansion will be doing later on बेटा. पूरी की पूरी एनालिसिस कराऊंगा, लगभग 2 घंटा पढ़ाऊंगा. But for the timing you should know what is the meaning of free expansion. बेटा if I am having the gas in one part of the container or chamber and other part is having absolute vacuum, if I rupture the membrane, 100% I will be having the free expansion of gas, and you can observe this is irreversible process. This is irreversible process. Or example, plastic deformation. You are aware of this beta. Plastic deformation. What is plastic deformation? I hope you are able to understand. Plastic deformation is irreversible na. Plastic deformation is irreversible. You are aware of this. I need not to tell. And remember, that is the basic difference between strength of materials and manufacturing sciences or production technology. In production technology or manufacturing sciences, you will be having the plastic deformation, whereas in strength of materials or mechanics of solids, you will be dealing up to elastic zone only. There you don't have the plastic deformation. Hysteresis losses, बेटा ये तो intermediate का concept है. Hysteresis losses आपको पता है ना? फटाफट से बताइए hysteresis losses क्या होते हैं? याद आ रहा है? Hysteresis losses का बताइए. थोड़ा सा याद आ रहा होगा. यहीं बना देता हूं. जिनको याद नहीं आ रहा थोड़ा सा करवा देता हूं बेटा. हिस्टेरेसिस लॉसेस का तो याद आना चाहिए यार। याद दिला देता हूं, कुछ बेटा ऐसा याद आ रहा है, समथिंग लाइक दिस। here you must be having B, here H, है ना, and this was representing what? Hysteresis loss ना। when the core is subjected to magnetization, demagnetization by changing the current and all, yes, yes। next mixing of gases, of course mixing of gases is also an example of irreversible process। तो बेटा मैंने आपको थोड़ा आइडिया दिया है, I have given you sufficient idea which processes are irreversible process। when I'm saying irreversible process means the processes which are not totally reversible process। so I hope each and everyone is clear till here, yes, I hope each and everyone is clear till here। now cyclic process, any intelligent student of the class can tell me what is cyclic process। बेटा फटाफट से बता देंगे cyclic process क्या होता है। what is cyclic process? each and everyone tell me what is cyclic process। बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, what is the meaning of cyclic process? come on everyone, I want you people to answer what is cyclic process। बोलो रे बाबा, cyclic process क्या होता है? what is cyclic process? come on, what is the meaning of cyclic process? बोलिए बेटा। if a system undergoes, ध्यान से देखना बेटा, if a system undergoes number of processes such that initial and final states are same, initial and final states are same, I will be calling the process as cyclic process। ha, so what is the basic condition? yes, excellent beta, excellent, yes। so I will be calling a process as cyclic process if initial and final states are same। now listen carefully। अच्छा ये बताना बेटा, ध्यान से बताना, at your home you are having refrigerator, that refrigerator is working on cyclic process or not? वो साइकिल में ऑपरेट करती है कि नहीं करती है? कैन यू टेल मी बेटा? I want each and everyone to tell me in chat box if you are having the refrigerator, domestic refrigerator, जो आपके घर में रेफ्रिजरेटर है, फ्रिज है, can I say it's operating in a cyclic process? yes, of course it's operating in a cyclic process। engines they will be operating on cyclic process, they will be operating on cycle। so याद रखना, you want your refrigerator to work only for 2 seconds, 5 seconds or work continuously। आप अपने रेफ्रिजरेटर को चाहते हैं कि वो कंटिन्यूसली ठंडा करता रहे या सिर्फ 2 सेकंड के लिए ठंडा करे? you want your refrigerator to cool the items, to cool the vegetable or fruits continuously or for only 2 seconds or 4 seconds? of course you want continuous effect, remember whether it is a power producing cycle or power consuming cycle, the main aim of cycle is to produce the continuous effect। जब भी आपको continuous effect चाहिए होता है, whenever you want continuous effect you will be running the things in cycle। तो एक चीज याद रखना बेटा साइकिल के बारे में, cycles are used to produce continuous effect। अगर आपको continuous effect चाहिए तो आपको साइकिल में ऑपरेट करना पड़ेगा। देखो आप ध्यान से देखो, आई विल बी गिविंग यू द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ साइक्लिक प्रोसेस. अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, आई विल बी गिविंग यू द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ साइक्लिक प्रोसेस. लेट अस सपोज on this axis I am having property x. Let me say on this vertical axis I am having property y. Let us suppose here I am having a state 1. Let me say system is undergoing change of state from 1 to 2 via path 1a2. Let us suppose I am having a system which is at state 1. Let us suppose I am having a system which is at state 1. It is undergoing a process, internally reversible process 1a2. And of course, I am assuming whatever the processes we are doing, they are externally reversible also. ये hidden assumption है. All the processes we are doing are externally reversible processes. इसकी आपको चिंता नहीं करनी है. Now listen carefully. Let us suppose I am having a system which is at state 1. It is undergoing a process 1a2. Now let us suppose I am coming back from 2 to 1 via path 2b1. Via path 2b1. बेटा ध्यान से देखना. What was the initial state? 1 was initial state. What is final state? 1 is final state. Can I say 1a2b1 is a cyclic process? Can I say 1a2b1 is a cyclic process? Type in chat box बेटा. क्या मैं बोल सकता हूं 1a2b1 एक cyclic process है? फटाफट से टाइप कर दीजिए chat box में. Type in chat box quickly. Type in chat box quickly. Can I say 1a2b1 is a cyclic process? फटाफट से टाइप कर दीजिए. फटाफट से टाइप कर दीजिए बेटा. Can I say 1a2b1 is a cyclic process? Come on, type in chat box. Yes, yes, yes. Very good बेटा. Excellent. अब मुझे देखो ध्यान से सुनना. Whatever the processes I have drawn, I have represented on this y-x diagram, all are externally reversible process. उसकी बात छोड़ दो. Can I say both the processes are internally reversible also? Can I say both the processes are internally reversible also? क्या मैं बोल सकता हूं दोनों के दोनों processes internally reversible भी हैं? Can I say both the processes are internally reversible? बेटा कुछ लोग अब डाउट में आएंगे. कुछ लोग डाउट में आएंगे. सर 1a2 sir 1a2 is internally reversible process ना? Then I should go back 2 to 1 via the same path. मैंने बोला था. That's why I have discussed each and everything in entire detail. I told you clearly. Listen carefully. मैंने बिल्कुल आपको क्लैरिटी के साथ बताया. If we want, we can go back from state 2 to state 1 via same path. That is the meaning of internally reversible process. कोई कंपलसरी नहीं है. अरे इट इज नॉट कंपलसरी रे बाबा, इट इज नॉट कंपलसरी. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं, सुनना ध्यान से. माय चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे इज एट वाइजैग. माय चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे इज एट वाइजैग. फर्स्ट ही इज गोइंग फ्रॉम वाइजैग टू कोलकाता, देन कोलकाता टू दिल्ली, then from Delhi he is going to Goa. Yes, he is going from state 1 to state 2. अब remember if I am having internally reversible process, yes, if I want I can come back via same path, Goa to Delhi, Delhi to Kolkata, Kolkata to Vizag. बट ये कंपलसरी नहीं है बेटा. इट इज नॉट कंपलसरी. अरे प्रीतम प्यारे का मन हुआ, थोड़ा और जगह एक्सप्लोर करके जाएंगे. गोवा टू जयपुर, देन ही इज गोइंग फ्रॉम जयपुर टू Hyderabad, and then Hyderabad to Vizag. Yes, why not? Why not? He can come back. Still, I will call the process is internally reverse. It is not compulsory. कोई compulsory नहीं है कि अगर वो he is going from Vizag to Goa by Vizag, Kolkata, Delhi, then Goa, then he should reverse. It is not yes, if he wants, he can come back. The beauty of internally reversible processes, if I want, I can come back via same path, but it's not compulsory. I hope everyone is clear. Now listen carefully, beta. Can I say the process 1A2 and 2B1 both are internally reversible processes? Array, I have represented by the solid line na? Can I say the process 1A2 and 2B1 both are reversible processes? 100% both are reversible processes. Why both are reversible processes? Array, externally reversible तो already मैंने माना हुआ है. I'm assuming both the processes are externally reversible processes, so 100% both are reversible processes also. So can I say I'm having a cycle in which I'm having two processes and both processes are reversible processes? तो मैं इसको एक beautiful नाम देता हूं, बेटा ध्यान से देखना. Can I say 1A2B1 is two process reversible cyclic process? क्या मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूं बेटा? ध्यान से बताना. Can I say I'm having two process reversible cyclic process or cycle? Yes, I'm having two processes and both are reversible process. याद रखना बेटा, if you want to have a reversible cycle, then in that cycle all the processes must be reversible. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Carnot cycle is a reversible cycle. In Carnot cycle we are having four processes, two isothermal, two isentropic. But remember, if it is the reversible cycle, that means all the processes are reversible processes. Carnot cycle is a four process reversible cyclic process. I hope each and everyone is clear till here. Now अब आप मुझे बताएंगे बेटा, let us suppose, again assumption is same, let us suppose all the processes are externally reversible processes. ये तो मैं मान के चल रहा हूं. Okay, let me say all the processes are externally reversible processes. अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा, देखते हैं कितने लोग बता पाएंगे. चलो, suppose this is a process 1A2, this is a process 2B3, this is a process 3C1. What can you say about this cycle? इस साइकिल के बारे में आप लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं बेटा? फटाफट से बोलेंगे. What can you say about this cycle? Can I say this cycle is, कितने प्रोसेस है बेटा? देखो ये जो साइकिल है 1A2B3C1, can I say this cycle is what beta? Three process reversible cyclic process. फटाफट से कंफर्म करो. कैन आई से दिस इज बेसिकली थ्री प्रोसेस. एक्सीलेंट बेटा उत्कर्ष, वेरी गुड बेटा. कैन आई से इट इज थ्री प्रोसेस रिवर्सिबल cyclic process because each and every process I have represented by the bold line. That means all the processes are internally reversible processes. At the same time, I am assuming all the processes are externally reversible also. ठीक है, यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है बेटा? एक्सीलेंट. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं, ध्यान से आंसर करना बेटा. एक्सटर्नली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेसेस, ये तो हिडन अजम्पशन है ना. अब ध्यान से देखना, देखते हैं कितने लोग बता पाएंगे. बेटा ध्यान से देखना. आई विल बी हैप्पी इफ यू आर गिविंग मी द आंसर ऑफ दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बताओ, ये साइक्लिक प्रोसेस है कि नहीं? कैन आई से दिस इज साइक्लिक प्रोसेस और नॉट? 1A2B 3C4D1. This is cyclic process or not? Yes, of course this is cyclic process. Why are you saying cyclic process? Because initial and final states are same. Because initial and final states are same. Now I'm asking you, what are you going to tell about this? What are you going to tell about this? Quickly. Cyclic है, cyclic है. Very good बेटा. Cyclic है. Cyclic process है because initial and final states are same. What can you say about this cyclic process? What can you say about this cyclic process? Quickly. Can I say this cyclic process is having 4 processes? Can I say this cyclic process is having 4 processes? 1, 2 process, second, third, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, second, third, fourth. 4 processes हैं. 100% this is 4 process. There is no doubt. 4 process. What else? 4 process. What else? 4 process. What else? Reversible cycle or irreversible cycle? 4 process reversible cycle or irreversible cycle? बोलो रे बाबा. 4 process reversible cycle or irreversible cycle? Excellent. Excellent. 4 process irreversible cyclic process. Why are you saying irreversible cyclic process? Why are you saying irreversible cyclic process? Why are you saying irreversible cyclic process? If in a cycle, even a single process is irreversible, the complete cycle will be reversible. किसी साइकिल में अगर एक सिंगल प्रोसेस भी अगर irreversible हो गया, that entire cycle will be called irreversible cycle. Can you observe here the process 1A2? Yes, my friends, the process 1A2, the process 1A2, the process 1A2 is what? Internally irreversible process. If the process 1A2 is internally irreversible process, that means it is irreversible process. And if it is irreversible process, the complete cycle will be called irreversible process. Yes, dotted line. Yes, the process 1A2 I have represented by the dotted line. The meaning is the process is internally irreversible process. बेटा देखना ध्यान से, चीजों को समझना. This was your two process reversible cyclic process. I was having 2 process and both the processes were reversible process, so I called 2 process reversible cyclic process. In this example, yes, of course it is. In this example, of course it is a cycle because initial and final states are same. इसमें तो कोई doubt ही नहीं है. Initial and final states are same, so 100% this is cycle. But if you observe carefully, in this cycle I am having 3 processes and all the 3 processes are reversible processes. That's why I am saying it is 3 process reversible cyclic process. In this example, if you see, this process 1A2. This process is internally irreversible process, and that is the reason why the process becomes irreversible process, and I'm calling the cycle is a 4 process irreversible cycle. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर है बेटा? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? Are you clear till here? Yes, yes, 1 to 2 is non-quasi-static. Absolutely correct. Internally irreversible process. बोलो रे बाबा, are you clear till here? चलो 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 चलो, अब मैं आपको एक ब्यूटीफुल कहानी सुनाता हूं बेटा. देखो देखो देखो, मेरा चंपू जी, चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे, डंपू प्रीतम प्यारे, यू नो बोथ आर ब्रदर्स. पता है ना आपको चंपू डंपू के बारे में? चंपू डंपू, यस. अब आपको आंसर देना है बेटा. अब आपसे पूछूंगा, क्या ब्यूटीफुल रोड है रे बाबा. दिस इज रोड, दिस इज रोड. चंपू एंड डंपू, चंपू प्रीतम प्यारे एंड डंपू प्रीतम प्यारे, बोथ आर ब्यूटीफुल ब्रदर्स. क्या ब्रदर्स है रे बाबा, क्या ब्रदर्स है रे बाबा. एंड they are having their rooms on first floor beside each other. This is first floor beta, this is first floor, this is first floor. Okay, ध्यान से देखना. Yes, here we are having champo, here we are having champo, here we are having dumpo. चंपू एंड डंपू, क्या ब्रदर्स है रे बाबा. चंगू एंड मंगू भी हो सकते हैं, बिल्कुल. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. They are having girlfriends. Yes, they are having girlfriends. The girlfriend of Champu is Changi, and the girlfriend of Dampu is Dangi. Dangi. डंपू इज हैविंग वन एडेड एडवांटेज. डंपू का एक एडेड एडवांटेज है. जो डंपू का रूम है फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे, ये जो डंपू का रूम है फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे, इट इज हैविंग वन एडेड एडवांटेज. इट इज हैविंग वन एडेड एडवांटेज बेटा. इट इज हैविंग स्टेयर्स आल्सो, सीढ़ियां हैं, है ना. डंपूज रूम इज हैविंग वन एडेड एडवांटेज आल्सो. It is having stairs to come down. है ना. Now, one fine day, एक दिन दोनों ने प्लान बनाया, घर से भागकर मूवी देखने जाएंगे. One day they planned they will go for the movie. किसके साथ? गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ. टिकट विकट सब बुक कर ली. दे बुक द टिकट. नाइन PM टू 12 AM, रात के 9 बजे वाला शो जो रात के 12 बजे तक चलता. क्या बेहतरीन प्लानिंग है रे बाबा. अभी घड़ी दिखा रही है 8:45 हो गया. द क्लॉक इज शोइंग इट इज 8:45 PM. And they are desperately waiting for their girlfriends to come so that they can go for the movie. Desperately they are waiting for their girlfriends to come so that they can go for the movie. So Champu is waiting. Champu is waiting. बार बार नीचे झांक रहा है, अभी आएगी अभी आएगी अभी आएगी. ओ बेटा जी, ओ बाबू जी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम. इंतजार चल रहा है. They are waiting. Dumpu is also waiting. Dumpu is also getting ready. Dumpu is also getting ready. Oh, Dumpu is also getting ready. आज तो मजा ही मजा आ रहा, मजा 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 मजा. डंपू भी रेडी हो रहा है रे बाबा, डंपू भी रेडी हो रहा है. डंपू इज आल्सो गेटिंग रेडी. और जल्दी से देखना बेटा, सडनली क्या देखा, वाह 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 वाह. They observed two girls are approaching to their home. Two girls are approaching to their home. चंपू से बर्दाश्त नहीं हुआ रे बाबा, चंपू से बर्दाश्त ही नहीं हुआ. चंपू इज नॉट एबल टू रजिस्ट. जैसे ही उन्होंने लड़कियों को देखो, देखो ये चंपू था रे बाबा, ये चंपू था. चंपू ने जैसे ही लड़कियों को देखा तुरंत छलांग मार दी. He jumped immediately. He jumped immediately. Dumpu is having stairs na, so he is coming down one by one. जैसे ही छलांग मारी, when the चंपू reached here, चंपू जब यहां पहुंचा, ये तो धोखा हो गया रे बाबा बालों के देखकर. These are not our girlfriends. चंपू जब नीचे गिरा, नीचे गिर के जब देखा, अरे ये तो अपनी वाली नहीं है रे बाबा, ये तो धोखा हो गया रे बाबा, धोखा हो गया, धोखा हो गया रे बाबा. ओ माय गॉड, ये तो धोखा हो गया रे बाबा. नाउ डंपू वॉज कमिंग बाय स्टेयर्स. तो डंपू समझ गया भैया चलो वापिस, चलो वापिस. डंपू स्टार्टेड गोइंग आउट. अब मुझे आपको सिर्फ एक चीज बताना बेटा, चंपूज प्रोसेस इज इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस और इंटरनली इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. ये जो चंपू का प्रोसेस है, ये जो चंपू का प्रोसेस है, दिस इज इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस और इंटरनली इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. अरे बोलो रे बाबा, दिस चंपूज प्रोसेस इज इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल और इंटरनली, अरे बहुत रैपिड प्रोसेस है रे बाबा, रैपिड प्रोसेस है. चंपू का जो प्रोसेस हो रहा है, दैट इज वेरी रैपिड प्रोसेस. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रैपिड प्रोसेस? नॉन क्वासी-स्टैटिक प्रोसेस. नॉन क्वासी-स्टैटिक प्रोसेस, इट इज अ नॉन क्वासी-स्टैटिक प्रोसेस. एंड इफ इट इज अ नॉन क्वासी-स्टैटिक प्रोसेस, अगर ये नॉन क्वासी-स्टैटिक प्रोसेस है, इट इज इंटरनली इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. याद रखना बेटा, ध्यान से देखना. एक सेकंड पहले चंपू यहां पर था, 8:46 पर चंपू यहां था, 8:46 पर चंपू केम हियर. 8:46 पर चंपू केम हियर. आई नो ओनली टू थिंग्स. चंपू वॉज इनिशियली हियर एंड चंपू वॉज फाइनली हियर. I can predict only two states of the चंपू, initial state and final state. Initial state में यहां था, final state में नीचे गिर गया रे बाबा धड़ाम से, फर्स्ट फ्लोर टू ग्राउंड फ्लोर. Internally irreversible process. Here you see the beautiful Dumpo. Beautiful Dumpo is coming slowly. पहला स्टेयर चढ़ा, दूसरा, तीसरा उतरा, चौथा. जैसे यहां उतरा, अरे ये तो अपनी वाली नहीं है रे बाबा, ये तो डंगी नहीं है रे बाबा, चलो वापिस. स्लोली 100%. The process of Dumpo is slow process. The process of Dumpo is slow process. Slow process means what? Quasi-static process. Quasi-static process means if I'm neglecting the frictional losses, and if I'm neglecting the viscous losses, I can say the process of the Dumpo is internally reversible process. Yes. Are you clear till here? बोलो रे बाबा, आप लोग यहां तक क्लियर हैं क्या? आप लोग यहां तक क्लियर हैं क्या? फटाफट से बोलिए बेटा, फिर आगे चलेंगे. अरे दिल का सिंबल बना देंगे, आपको समझ में आया. अगर थोड़ी सी कहानी समझ में आई, हार्ट का सिंबल बना देंगे रे बाबा. कम ऑन एवरीवन. यस. वेरी गुड. यस, this is internally irreversible process and this is internally reversible process if I'm neglecting the viscous law. फटाफट से बोलो रे बाबा, are you clear till here? ये हुई ना बात. यस. Now beta, let us go to the next heading. Let us go to the next heading, characteristics of properties. बेटा पूरे प्यार से समझाऊंगा, दिल से समझाऊंगा, पूरा थर्मो आपका क्लियर होने वाला है. Once you are clear with thermodynamics, applications part of the thermodynamics will be very easy. आइस इंजन खेल जाओगे, पावर प्लांट खेल जाओगे, R&AC खेल जाओगे, कंप्रेसिबल फ्लो खेल जाओगे रे बाबा, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. एंड ऑन अनअकैडमी प्लस आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू नंबर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स, कंप्लीट थर्मोडायनामिक्स, रेफ्रिजरेशन एंड एयर कंडीशनिंग, आईसी इंजन्स, पावर प्लांट, हाइड्रोलिक मशीन्स, कंप्रेसिबल फ्लो, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स, हीट ट्रांसफर, पूरा डील करने वाला हूं रे बाबा आप लोगों के लिए अनअकैडमी प्लस पर. यू नीड नॉट टू वरी. चंपू तो गयो रे बाबा, चंपू तो गयो रे बाबा. चलिए चलिए चलिए. इफ अ सिस्टम अंडरगोज, if a system undergoes number of processes such that initial and final states are same, then the process is known as cyclic process. Cyclic processes are used for the continuous effect. For example, Otto cycle, diesel cycle, Brayton cycle, all these are the cycles and they are used for producing the power continuously. VCRS, vapor compression reference cycle, reverse Carnot cycle, these are the power consuming cycles which are doing some other effects, maybe extracting the heat or maybe supplying the heat. Okay, मजा आ गया रे बाबा. चलो, before starting the next topic I want to give you one information बेटा. We are starting the evolve batch. ये evolve batch start हो रहा है बेटा for GATE 2022. evolve batch is starting for GATE 2022 from December 28th. We are starting the ascent batch for GATE 2023 from 28th of December. बेटा जिसको ज्वाइन करना है अनअकैडमी प्लस फटाफट से ज्वाइन कर लीजिए using the referral code NEGI10. I will be personally guiding you. The moment you are joining अनअकैडमी प्लस इन्फॉर्म मी. वैसे आई विल बी गेटिंग द नोटिफिकेशन बेटा, जैसे आप ज्वाइन करोगे मुझे नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा, मुझे पता चल जाएगा आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया है. नाउ यू आर द नेगी सोल्जर. अदरवाइज यू कैन सेंड मी द मैसेज आल्सो इन अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप. आप अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप पर मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल बी माई रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. उसके बाद आप मेरी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहेंगे. आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ यू. आई विल मेक श्योर योर ड्रीम्स आर कमिंग ट्रू. द ओनली हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, बी रेडी टू वर्क हार्ड. अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करने के लिए रेडी हैं उसके बाद मेरी जिम्मेदारी बेटा. नाउ लेट अस कम टू द नेक्स्ट हेडिंग. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज. अब बेटा इसको ध्यान से सुनना. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली बेटा, लिसन केयरफुली. इस चीज को बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनेंगे बेटा, कोई गलती नहीं करेगा, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना. लेट अस सपोज, चलिए मैं एकदम अच्छे से बताता हूं आपको, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. लेट अस सपोज, ध्यान से देखना. On vertical axis I am taking pressure, on horizontal axis I am taking volume. Let us suppose pressure is taken in bar, volume is taken in meter cube. Let me say beta, this is the initial state, let me say that at this initial state volume is 1 meter cube and pressure is 5 bar मान लीजिए. Now let's suppose system is undergoing a process, and the system is reaching from state 1 to state 2 via path 1A2. At state 2, of course you must be able to understand, volume is 5 meter cube, pressure is 1 bar. Please observe carefully. Here you are having 5 meter cube volume, here you are having 1 meter cube volume, here you are having 1 bar pressure, here you are having 5 bar pressure. Fine. But I am asking you one question. Can you tell me the process 1A2? ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, what I am trying to ask you. The process 1A2 is internally reversible process or internally irreversible process? बोलिए बेटा. process 1A2 is internally reversible process or internally irreversible process? 1A2, there is no doubt, 1A2 is what? Internally reversible process. करेक्ट है बात सही है। अगर आपसे मैं एक चीज पूछता हूं बेटा, देखते हैं कितने लोग बता पाएंगे। लुक एट हियर, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द चेंज इन वॉल्यूम ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस 1A2? जब प्रोसेस 1A2 हुआ, व्हाट इज द चेंज इन वॉल्यूम? एनी इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द क्लास कैन टेल मी व्हाट इज द चेंज इन वॉल्यूम व्हेन आई एम हैविंग द प्रोसेस 1A2? अरे ये तो कोई अंधा भी बता देगा, ये तो कोई अंधा भी बता देगा रे बाबा। 5 minus 1 4 meter cube, 5 minus 1 4 meter cube. Now listen carefully. Let us suppose I am going from the same state 1 to state 2 via this process, let me say 1B2. What is this 1B2? Any intelligent? Type in chat box re baba. 1B2 is internally reversible process or internally irreversible process? 100% internally irreversible process. कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, internally irreversible process. Now if I ask you what is the change in volume, what is the change in volume for this 1B2? Anyone in the class beta? For this 1B2 process which is internally irreversible process, what is the change in volume? What is the change in volume? फटाफट से बोलिए बेटा, मैं आपका वेट कर रहा हूं, फटाफट से बोलिए। फाइव माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 4 मीटर क्यूब। आइला, ये क्या हो गया रे बाबा, ये क्या हो गया? दिस वॉज internally reversible process and this was internally irreversible process, but change in volume is coming same. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? What is the meaning of this रे बाबा? ओहो, that means properties are independent of the path followed. Properties are not depending on the path followed. Property path पर depend कर ही नहीं रही, whether the path is internally reversible or internally irreversible, the change in property is coming same. That means properties are not depending on the path followed, they are depending on the states, they are depending on the states only. किस पर डिपेंड कर रही है? पाथ पर डिपेंड नहीं कर रही है बेटा, ये कौन सा पाथ है, ये कौन सा पाथ है, कुछ डिपेंड नहीं कर रही, दे आर डिपेंडिंग ओनली द स्टेट्स। इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड चेंज इन वॉल्यूम 1A2 और 1B2 बोथ आर कमिंग सेम, क्योंकि फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता कौन सा पाथ है। द ओनली थिंग विच मैटर्स इज यू आर गोइंग फ्रॉम 1 to 2, you are going from 1 to 2. That is the reason why properties are known as state function. That is the reason why properties are known as state function. Properties को क्या बोला जाता है बेटा? याद रखना, properties are known as what? State function. Properties are known as state function. Now listen carefully. On property diagram, properties are represented by point. If you see the property diagram, on property diagram, properties are represented by a point. That is the reason why properties are represented by point. They are known as पॉइंट फंक्शन आल्सो, इसलिए उनको पॉइंट फंक्शन भी बोला जाता है. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, लिसन केयरफुली बेटा. ऑन प्रॉपर्टी डायग्राम द स्टेट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी, ये स्टेट हो चाहे ये स्टेट हो, state of the property is represented by the point. That is the reason why properties are also known as what? Point function. Now mathematically what is the meaning of this? Mathematically इसका मतलब क्या, ये भी बता देता हूं बेटा आपको. Mathematically what is the meaning of this? I will be telling you. Listen carefully. Mathematically the meaning is, if you are doing the integration of dv where b is some property, then always remember you will be getting b2 minus b1. Doesn't matter whatever is the path. If b is a property and you are having integration 1 to 2 dv, you will always get b2 minus b1. फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता 1 to 2 जाने के लिए. what is the path? doesn't matter what is the path. ये path पे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, independent of path. independent of path. बात समझ में आ रही है? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? यहां तक बोलिए आप लोग क्लियर हैं? यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर हैं बेटा? यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर हैं? फटाफट से बताइए. आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर. जल्दी से बोलिए बेटा. यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? यस, एक्सीलेंट. ये हुई ना बात. वेरी गुड बेटा. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. सबको चीजें समझ में आ गई ना? आई होप ईच एंड एवरीवन इज क्लियर. क्या बताया मैंने, एक बार फिर रिपीट कर रहा हूं. I will repeat once again. Please observe. I will be repeating once again so that you can understand properly. Look at here बेटा. मैंने क्या बताया? Let us suppose you want to find what is the volume V2. Let us suppose you are going via process 1A2. V2 will be how much beta? V2 will be 5 meter cube only. Let us suppose you want to find V2. What is V2? If you are going by a path 1V2, that is again 5 meter cube only. तो आपको ये चीज समझ में आ रही है बेटा? चाहे आप पाथ 1A2 से जाओ या पाथ 1BT से जाओ, 100% what is happening बेटा? The final volume is same. देखो इधर ध्यान से. Listen here बेटा. Whether you go from 1 to 2 via path 1A2 or 1 to 2 via path 1B2, V2 will be how much? 5 meter cube only. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? The meaning is properties are independent of the path. They are not depending on the path. They are just depending on the state. That is the reason why properties are known as the state function. And since states are represented by the point on the property diagram, they are also known as what? Point functions. Second thing which I have told you, दूसरी चीज जो मैंने आपको बताई, ध्यान से देखना बेटा. The difference of properties are coming exactly same. The difference of properties are coming exactly same. If you see, that is the reason why अगर आप 1A2 से जाओ या 1B2 से जाओ, the difference is coming exactly same. That is the reason why properties are known as exact differentials. What beta? Exact differentials. Okay, now look at here. What is the meaning of this? Let us suppose you are doing the integration 1 to 2 dv. You will be always getting v2 minus v1. अच्छा, एक चीज और सुनना बेटा. कई बार आपसे पूछेंगे कि ये प्रॉपर्टी है कि नहीं. देखो मान लो आपको ऐसा कुछ दे दिया बेटा. आई एम डिस्कसिंग वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज डिस्कस कर रहा हूं. जनरली इन इंटरव्यू दे आर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन. ध्यान से देखना. लेट अस सपोज dv is equal to m dx plus n dy. And let us suppose they are asking us whether this B is a property or not. Let us suppose they are asking us whether this B is property or not. So यार property आपको अभी तो पता चल गया. Property is what? Exact differential. So this B, if this B is a property, it should satisfy the test of exactness. आपने मैथमेटिक्स में पढ़ा होगा. You must have studied in mathematics. What is the test of exactness? What is the test of exactness? What is the test of exactness? dou m by dou y at constant x, if it is coming equal to what? Dou n by dou x at constant y. If this is getting satisfied, then 100% b is exact differential, and I can call it is the property of the system. It is the property. I hope everyone is clear till here. यहां तक सब लोगों को समझ में आ गया बेटा? टाइप कर देंगे चैट बॉक्स में. I hope everyone is clear. I hope each and everyone is clear. Type in chat box, Baba, then I will be moving forward. If each and everyone is clear till here, type in chat box, I will be moving forward. Beta, let us suppose, मैं आपको फिर से repeat कर रहा हूं. Listen carefully what I am saying. Please listen carefully. I will be explaining you clearly. Let us suppose I am having a process. मान लीजिए मैं एक process कर रहा हूं. Let us suppose I am doing a process 1A2. I am having another process 1B2. Of course, you can see 1A2 is internally reversible process. 1B2 is internally irreversible process. But if you see, if I am asking you what is the final volume, what is the final volume, what is V2 for 1A2 process, what is the V2 for 1B2 process, your answer will be 5 meter cube only. Your answer will be 5 meter cube only. What is the meaning of that? The meaning is properties are independent of the path followed. They are depending only the state. They are depending on the state. That's why properties are known as what? State function. And since states are represented by point, states are represented by point on property diagram. Hence properties are known as point function. Second point, if I ask you what is the change in volume kya, you will be saying 5 minus 1, 4 meter cube for the process 1A2. If I ask you what is the change in volume for the process 1B2, you will be saying 4 meter cube, 5 minus 1, 4 meter cube. That means the change in volume, change in property is coming exactly same when I am going from same initial state to same final state. It is not depending on the path. That means properties are exact differential. The difference will be coming exactly same if you are going from one state to another state irrespective of the path. Next point. If someone is asking you whether this is a property or not, then you have to satisfy the test of exactness. Dou m by dou y at constant x must be equal to dou n by dou x at constant y. I hope each and everyone is clear. चलो अब एक पॉइंट और समझाना है बेटा. Let us suppose we are going back from 2 to 1 via path 2C1. अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा. Any intelligent student of the class, can I say 1A2C1 is a reversible cycle? ध्यान से देखना बेटा. Can I say 1A2C1? ध्यान से देखो बेटा. 1A2C1. Can I say this is reversible cycle? And if it is a reversible cycle, बेटा जरा एक चीज बताना. Tell me one thing. Come on, Negi soldiers. Change in volume 1A2C1 कितना होगा बेटा? What will be the change in volume for 1A2C1? Come on everyone, I want everyone to type in chat box. What will be 1A2C1? फटाफट से बोलेंगे रे बाबा. I want everyone to type in chat box quickly. What will be 1A2C1? Come on everyone. बोलो रे बाबा. Yes. Can I say final volume is 1, initial volume was also 1, 0 meter cube? Excellent बेटा. अब एक बार ध्यान से देखना. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me 1B2C1. ध्यान से देख लो. What is 1B2C1? This is 1B2C1. Any intelligent student of the class can tell me 1B2C1. 1B2C1 is reversible cycle or irreversible cycle? 1B2C1 is reversible cycle or irreversible cycle? 100%. Very good. ये हुई ना बात. Yes, you are absolutely correct बेटा. Yes, 1B2C1 is an irreversible cycle. चलो कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. What is the change in volume? What is change in volume for 1B2C1? What is the change in volume for 1B2C1? What is the final volume at 1 is 1. What is the initial volume at state 1 is 1 meter cube. What I'm getting? 0 meter cube. Oh my god, oh my god. Whether the cycle is रिवर्सिबल साइकिल और इरिवर्सिबल साइकिल, कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा. चेंज इन वॉल्यूम फॉर साइकिल इज कमिंग जीरो ओनली. चेंज इन वॉल्यूम फॉर साइकिल इज कमिंग जीरो ओनली. दैट मीन्स फॉर अ साइकिल change in property is always, doesn't matter whether the cycle is reversible cycle or irreversible. कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता whether the cycle is a reversible cycle or irreversible cycle. Remember my friends, change in property is always zero. अगर मैं मैथमेटिकली लिखना चाहूं, इसका मैथमेटिकली मतलब क्या है देखना बेटा ध्यान से. What is the mathematical meaning of this? Mathematically I am saying cyclic integral of dB is always zero. अच्छा बेटा एक चीज और ध्यान देना, यहां पर मैंने d लिखा ना, आपको समझ में आया बेटा ये d क्यों लिखा? जब भी हम ये d लिखते हैं ना बेटा, that means this b is a property and it is exact differential. D we will be representing for exact differential. Okay, if I am having inexact differential then we will be writing del or d cross, ऐसा कुछ लिखेंगे. ठीक है, ठीक है, यहां तक क्लियर है सब लोग? Now look at here, look at here, beautiful conclusion for Negi soldiers. First conclusion, properties are independent of path followed. ये तो मैंने बताया ही था आपको. B2 1A2, V2 1B2 both were coming same. Properties are independent of the path followed. They depend only on the state, and hence properties are known as what? State functions. Hence the properties are known as what? State functions. On property diagram, state is represented by a point. Hence properties are also known as point functions. क्योंकि प्रॉपर्टी डायग्राम पर स्टेट को हम पॉइंट से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. हेंस प्रॉपर्टीज आर आल्सो नोन एज व्हाट? पॉइंट फंक्शन. व्हाटएवर द पाथ, इंटरनली रिवर्सिबल और इंटरनली इरिवर्सिबल, द डिफरेंस ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज बिटवीन टू स्टेट्स इज एग्जैक्टली सेम. हेंस प्रॉपर्टीज आर नोन एज एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल्स. इन डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म प्रॉपर्टीज आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय डीवी. डी लिखा है बेटा, डी. In differential form, properties are represented by dB. What is the meaning of D? It is representing that property is exact differential. For a cyclic process, change in property is always zero. Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? बोलो रे बाबा, यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं? यहां तक सब लोग क्लियर हैं बेटा? I hope each and everyone is clear till here. फटाफट से कंफर्म कर देंगे, फटाफट से कंफर्म कर देंगे. बोलिए बेटा. टुडे एट 10:15 PM you are having the special class on MSQs of fluid dynamics. जिनको अटेंड करनी है वो अटेंड कर सकते हैं बेटा. यूज द इनवाइट कोड NEGI10. ओके, चलिए यहां तक क्लियर है? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड बेटा. टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्सल गैस कांस्टेंट एंड जनरलाइज्ड कंप्रेसिबिलिटी चार्ट. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक करो रे बाबा, सब्सक्राइब करो रे बाबा, शेयर करो रे बाबा, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली कमेंट करो रे बाबा. नेगी सोल्जर्स, नेगी सोल्जर्स विल कमेंट, नेगी सोल्जर्स विल कमेंट. अगर आपको पूरा फुल कोर्स पढ़ना है बेसिक थर्मोडायनामिक्स का, कमेंट करो रे बाबा, हिट कर दो रे बाबा, हिट कर दो रे बाबा, हिट द लाइक बटन. इतना हिट कर दो पूरा वीडियो हिट हो जाए रे बाबा. बेटा दिस इज द टेलीग्राम चैनल वेयर यू विल बी गेटिंग द नोट्स ऑफ दिस क्लास. There are so many people who are asking me, sir, where are we going to get the notes? बेटा मेरी कोई भी क्लास होती है उसके क्लास नोट्स आपको यहीं मिलेंगे, क्लास की लिंक्स आपको यहीं मिलेगी. कोई भी बुक्स मुझे अपलोड करनी है मैं यहीं अपलोड करने वाला हूं. बेटा दिस इज ज्ञान गंगा, इसको मिस मत करना. टिल नाउ व्हाटएवर द क्लास आई हैव टेकन, व्हाटएवर द फ्री क्लास आई हैव टेकन, इट इज हियर. अभी तक मैंने जितनी भी फ्री क्लासेस ली है बेटा, मे बी ऑन अनअकैडमी स्पेशल क्लासेस, मे बी यूट्यूब, हर चीज एक सिस्टमेटिक ढंग से अरेंज है इस tinyurl.com/Negitanpur में. जस्ट टाइप दिस इन योर एड्रेस बार एंड यू विल बी सीइंग द ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स हैपनिंग टू यू. एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स की क्लासेस, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स की क्लासेस, हीट ट्रांसफर की क्लासेस, PYQs of XC, special session, thermodynamics. For example, you are clicking on fluid mechanics. Beta, how the things will look like? In the first column, you are having the name of the chapter. In second column, you will be having the numbering of the lecture. Third column, in the given lecture, what is the topics covered? In this fourth column, you will be having the links of video classes. In this fifth column, you will be having the links of class note. जिनको अगर कुछ doubts है वो live में रहना, मैं आपसे end में discussion करूंगा. At the end, I will be discussing the things with you people. बेटा अगर आपने अभी तक मुझे फॉलो नहीं किया, फॉलो कर लीजिए, बिकॉज continuously I'm bringing the free initiative for you people. Those who haven't followed me on Unacademy platform, Unacademy learning app, follow me because I'm bringing continuously the free initiative. For example, right now I'm discussing most expected question series on fluid mechanics XCB, PYQ series on XCE. This is the class today. Most expected questions on fluid dynamics I'm going to discuss today. बेटा आज बेहतरीन MSQs होने वाले हैं. जिसने अभी तक इसके लिए एनरोल नहीं किया, you are having the link pinned, enroll immediately. फटाफट से एनरोल करेंगे बेटा और आएंगे क्लास में टुडे at 10:15 on Unacademy platform using the invite code NEGI10. This is tomorrow's class बेटा. Tomorrow I am going to discuss the beautiful PYQs of XCE thermodynamics entropy. Yes, कल बेहतरीन एंट्रोपी के क्वेश्चंस होने वाले हैं. टाइमिंग इज सेम 10:15 PM. जिन्होंने अभी तक अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप इंस्टॉल नहीं किया बेटा, इंस्टॉल कर लीजिए. द मोमेंट यू आर इंस्टॉलिंग द अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप, यू विल बी अनलॉकिंग द फ्री प्लान्स. आप सारे फ्री प्लान्स को अनलॉक कर लेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्री स्पेशल क्लासेस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू विल बी अनलॉकिंग द कॉम्बैट, you will be unlocking the quizzes, you will be unlocking the tests, and most importantly you will be able to send me the message. बेटा जिनको भी Unacademy Plus ज्वाइन करना है फटाफट से मुझे मैसेज कर देंगे. न्यू बैच इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 28th. इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट, आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग द थर्मोडायनामिक्स देयर एंड एवरी डे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस 2.5 hour class. 2.5 hour class every day you will be having, and within 15 days, 16 days, 60 days, within 50-60 days your syllabus will be over. Every day you will be having 2.5 hour class. Now this is the batch beta. Evolve batch for GATE 2022 is starting. Ascent batch for GATE 2023 is starting from 28th. फटाफट से Negitan referral code use करेंगे and come on Unacademy Plus. I will be taking the thermodynamics in this batch. I will be starting these batches with thermodynamics. Yes. क्या है कोड जिससे आप ज्वाइन करेंगे? Negitan से ज्वाइन करेंगे, मुझे मैसेज करेंगे Unacademy learning app पर, सर I have joined Unacademy Plus using the referral code Negitan, and then after it I will take care of you. उसके बाद आप मेरी जिम्मेदारी हो. I will take care of each and everything. You need not to worry. I will be your single point contact on Unacademy Plus. But let us suppose Negi soldiers are joining Unacademy Plus using the referral code Negitan. जैसे ही Negitan आप लगाते हो, what are the benefits you people are going to get beta? You will be able to access the live classes. In case you are missing the live classes, you will be able to access the recordings. And those who are college going student, don't worry beta, my class will be in the evening only. 8 PM to 10:30 PM you will be having the class. 8 बजे से 10:30 बजे तक आपकी क्लास होने वाली, तो आपको बिल्कुल चिंता नहीं करनी है बेटा. यू नीड नॉट टू वरी. आई विल बी टेकिंग क्लास 8 PM to 10:30 PM. तो आपका कोई भी क्लास का स्केड्यूल डिस्टर्ब नहीं होने वाला है. इफ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग द Unacademy Plus using the referral code Negitan, what are the benefits you are going to get? You will be getting the live classes बेटा. You will be getting the doubt clearing sessions. You will be getting the doubt solving groups. Yes, जैसे आप मुझे बताएंगे सर मैंने Negitan लगाकर ज्वाइन कर लिया, I will be adding you in all the doubt solving groups. Now other than that, you will be getting the daily practice problems, you will be getting the practice sheets, you will be getting the weekly quizzes, you will be getting the detailed solutions of the weekly quizzes, you will be getting the rank improvement batches, you will be getting the crash course, and most importantly you will be getting the batches in both languages, Hindi and English. And don't worry beta, I will be mentoring you personally. Now those who are Negi soldiers and if they are financially well settled and they can invest little more on their future, then I am suggesting you join Unacademy Iconic using the same code Negitan. कोड तो एक ही है बेटा, आपको कुछ भी ज्वाइन करना है, the code is same, Negitan. The moment you are joining Unacademy Iconic using the referral code NEGI10, whatever the features are there on Unacademy Plus, you will be getting the same features but something extra also. Beta, you will be getting the PC. Sir, what is this PC? This PC is personal coach. This personal coach is helping you. This personal coach is going to help you in each and every stage of your competitive exam preparation. This personal coach is going to help you in study planner. Yes, आपका पूरा स्टडी का प्लानिंग पर्सनल कोच करने वाला है. दिस पर्सनल कोच इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन हाउ टू रिवाइज द नोट्स, हाउ टू मेक द नोट्स, हाउ टू मेक द शॉर्ट नोट्स. दिस पर्सनल कोच इज गोइंग टू एक्ट टू एनालाइज द वीकली क्विजेस. Whatever the weekly quizzes you are writing, this personal coach is going to analyze, and 100% this personal coach will be giving you the feedback, corrective measures, so that your weekly quiz performance will be getting improved. But you will be getting the study booster sessions from Unacademy Plus, how to increase the efficiency of learning, how to write the exam, how to write the quiz, so that you are completely prepared for the D-Day. And most importantly, at the end, I will be telling you, you will be getting the preparatory study material also. आपको study material भी मिलने वाला है. You will be getting the notes and you will be getting the questions also. So you need not to worry. Now, if Negi soldiers are planning to join Unacademy Plus using the referral code NEGI10, their subscription fee will be reduced. If you are planning to join for 12 months, your subscription fee will be reduced to 27,225 rupees. If Negi soldiers is planning to join Unacademy Plus using the referral code NEGI10 for 18 months, it will be reduced to 34,650 rupees, whereas for 24 months it will be reduced to 39,600 rupees. But this is the fee structure for Iconic. Now, why to use NEGI10? Because NEGI10 is not just a code, it's an emotion which is connecting me to you people. Negi sir to Negi soldiers, Negi sir's team to Negi soldiers, Jhamajham classes to Jhamajham learning. Are you getting to Bolo Re Baba? Bolo Re Baba. And you should be proud of using the referral code NEGI10, because the moment you are using the NEGI10, you are using the referral code of the ranked third educator on Unacademy Plus, ranked third mechanical educator on Unacademy Plus. You are using the referral code of the top educator. You are using the referral code of the head mechanical head Unacademy brands. You are using the referral code of All India Rank 1 GATE 2019-20 Engineering Sciences paper. You are using the referral code of All India Rank 1 Bank Note Paper Mill. You are using the referral code of Topper MTech IIT Bombay. You are using the referral code of the experienced mentor who has mentored more than 50,000 students in last years. The most important thing, you are using the referral code of a person who is enjoying teaching and who is always ready to help you, to support you. So immediately NEGI10 यूज करेंगे. जिनको 2022 और 2023 का बैच ज्वाइन करना बेटा, एडमिशंस आर ओपन, फटाफट से ज्वाइन करेंगे. This is my team. This is my team to whom I am leading. You can see all the teachers you know on this Unacademy channel. ME plus XC मतलब NEGI10, NEGI10, NEGI10. Thank you so much. किसी का कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो बेटा. If anyone is having any doubt, feel free to ask. किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए. बोलिए बेटा, किसी को कोई डाउट है, कैसा भी डाउट है आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. If anyone is having any doubt, feel free to ask. If anyone is having any doubt, feel free to ask. Prasad, this you will come to know later on. Yes, right from Ravi Teja, it will be right from the zero to hero re baba. This batch will be 0 to hero batch. Ravi Teja, you contact me separately, I will be guiding you. You can immediately message me on Unacademy Learning app. I will be giving you my contact details. Contact me, I will be guiding you. Okay? Aaj jao re baba, aaj jao re baba. In reversible process, we see from the diagram the intensive properties are different at initial and final state. Yes, correct. So why in definition we say that reversible process the system restore, can restore लिखा है रे बाबा. Yes, can restore लिखा है. It is not restore, can restore. Can restore. That means if you are returning to the path 2 to 1, if you are following the same path, you will be restoring the initial state. Restoring is written beta. रवि तेजा छपेंडे, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ। चलो, एनीवन हैविंग एनी अदर डाउट बेटा? एनीवन हैविंग एनी अदर डाउट फील फ्री टू आस्क। किसी को कोई भी डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए बेटा। इफ एनीवन इज हैविंग एनी अदर डाउट फील फ्री टू आस्क। इफ एनीवन इज हैविंग एनी अदर डाउट फील फ्री टू आस्क। किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए। चलिए, इफ एनीवन इज हैविंग एनी अदर डाउट फील फ्री टू आस्क। बोलो रे बाबा। गुड 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 प्रसाद। Prasad, you come on Academy Plus, re baba. Prasad, you come on Academy Plus. I will take care of you. You know, all the students of mine has done extremely well in combat. Prince Sharma, when will you announce legend educator? बेटा एक चीज समझ लो, एक चीज समझ लो, सारे टीचर लेजेंड्स होते हैं, सारे टीचर लेजेंड्स होते हैं या फिर लेजेंड कोई नहीं होता। I don't believe in all these words. And whenever it comes, it will come to you beta. You will come to know. After 2 weekends, Prasad, next to next date will be announced. Fortnightly competition na? Okay, chemical first year, very good beta. Yes, properties remain uniform. Yes, correct beta, properties remains uniform. Yes. Already class is started. Prasad, already class is started. You are late. Chalo, anyone else? Thank you so much beta. Thank you so much Prince. Thank you so much beta. Chalo, then I'm closing the streaming. Tomorrow we will be meeting at 6 PM. यार शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों को, ठीक है? चलो, बाय, टेक केयर, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा।